Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First step, my Revlon Color Stay Foundation. I'm applying it only to the places where I need coverage, which is around the cheeks and chin. I'm applying the foundation using my fingers and blending it with a sponge. This way I do not cake my makeup by applying more foundation. Next for concealer, the MAC Studio Finish Concealer under my eyes and on in the inner corner. This cancels out the darkness around the eyes and brighten the eye area. I'm using the same concealer on every single acne and scars for extra coverage. I'm setting my face using some translucent powder for a long lasting look. Next for my eyes, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette. For the crease color, I'm using a light brown shade. Next, I'm using the earth tone shade as a base and blending it with the crease color. Next, I'm using the peach color for the outer corner of the eyelids and blending it with the other shades. To turn it up a notch, I'm taking that shimmer bronze color that reflects green glitter and packing that onto my eyelids, concentrating on the inner corner of the eyes. I'm deepening the outer corner of the eyelids using the same brown shade. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same earth tone shade. To brighten up the eyes, I'm using the shade Fairy Lights on the inner corner of the eyelids, focusing more on the tear duct. I'm applying some concealer under the eyes to brighten up the eye makeup. Next, I'm drawing a wing liner and applying tons of mascara. I'm using a bronzer and applying it on the hollows of the cheek and around my forehead for a more chiseled look. And for the blush, I'm using the Florence by Mills and applying it on the apples of the cheeks and blending it using a sponge. I'm lining my lips using the MAC lip pencil in shade Soar and filling the lips using a peach lip shade. That is the final result, guys. I hope you guys like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.